This is the dirty rascal. Boom, bifles. Now that is classy. Turn that and out they come. Get yourself in the shower, lads. See? Cocktail soup, hot Vimto, gravy. What more do you want? £7 grand all in. Oh! A bit of a bang at the bottom there. Oh! Plenty of clearance. Oh dear. Sucking the smoke out. Genius. You reuse the shower water, goes into the machine. It's all about recycling. That might be a pube.
It's an opportunity too good to miss.
That is the best thing you've ever done.
Plenty of clearance. Oh!
If you see an opportunity
Oh dear.
to absolutely nail your co-host, you have to go in hard.
That's not good.
Paddy broke down, and me and Chris were just trying to find him in the back of a Range Rover.
I can see it, there's something green down there.
Unbeknownst to me, they'd come down into the water.
How about we splash? Oh yeah, go on, go, stop, don't stop.
Snuck up behind him and came down. He wasn't happy.
Absolutely covered me. It was like a tsunami coming through the door, full of God knows what.
He wasn't impressed, Paddy.
A few choice words were put out there.
And the two of us were just like naughty kids.
That was perfect.
We're freezing as well, so yeah, thanks Harris.